Hello my amazing viewers, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to V Tutorials. Today I've gotten you something new, something amazing, something cool. All you just need to do on this very platform is just texting, okay? Just chatting. These are some of those things you do freely on other social network like WhatsApp, Facebook and others, okay? All you just need to do here, your opportunity to work as a chat operator and earn an average of 300 USDT weekly is only minutes away. Okay, in this very platform you can earn up to 300 USDT weekly, okay, by just what? By just texting, chatting. Okay, so all you just need to do, make sure you have a network connection, navigate yourself to your Chrome and text and type on texting factory. Okay, as a text chat operator you will be answering casual messages on fantasy based text network. You have to be able to talk to customers about all kind of topics. You will be assigned different roles depending on what your customers want. You see, your job here is very simple. Some of our clients just want to talk to someone about everyday's life. Small talk about things like work, culture, weather, relationship. Your identity will not be known by customers because you will be assumed to be the person the customer is texting to. Okay, depending on how much time effort you put in. Okay, depending on how much time effort you put in, or you can earn between $50 to $300 weekly. Okay, so all you just need to do now, walk down to this very place and start application now. It's very simple and it's users friendly. The only thing that you just need to do, put on your first name, your last name, your email. Make sure the email is active. Make sure you can access the email because a verification will be sent to your email. Okay, so the first thing, and you just need to click on the first box which says I agree to the same terms and conditions, and also click on the second box, okay, which says I'm over 18, okay, and click on apply. Okay, so let's quickly look at some of those things. Apply right now and we will contact you by email within 48 hours. Our coaches will answer all your questions. You see this? Apply now. This is when you learn. We offer you an online training in which we show you how, you see, one of the most fascinating is that this very platform will show you how exactly you can take care of their customers and get paid between $50 to $300 weekly. Okay, you see, have an online workplace will give you the opportunity to plan your own time and workload. So these people give you the opportunity. It's only you only do this at your leisure time. No one give you time here. You only do this at your leisure time. All you just need to do is just apply. Okay, join them as a chat operator today and enjoy many advantages of an online home office job. Okay, be your own boss, work from anywhere as long as you have a network connection and also your smartphone. So you decide what your weekly paycheck should look like. Okay, your ambition and hard work determine what you will earn. Okay, you're doing it part-time or fully. Okay, what do you need to know before? One of the most fascinating thing about this again is that you don't need to know anything. Be a complete novice and you can catch out from this very platform. All you just need to do, have a phone, a smartphone, or you have a PC, which is a laptop. And the only important part of this application is that you need an updated ID that you can use to verify this platform. An important part of the application, you see, process is an ID verification check. Okay, why do we ask for your personal ID? When you apply for a job at a company, we need to check that you are who you say you are. Okay, we do this for three main reasons: to check if you are old enough to work for us, to prevent fraud, to also confirm your identity so that we can process payment to the right person. Okay, so don't forget, all you just need to do now, click on apply and start your process. Okay, if you have any question, please do leave your question at the comment section and I will get you ASAP. Okay, Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.